Hi, I'm Colton Davidson and I'm with OEM Products. I'm here today with all of the default blade bars on our floor scrapers. We have the Twister and Lightning Blade Bar, the Cyclone and Hurricane Blade Bar, and the Storm SS Blade Bar. But did you know that we offer several more blade bars that can make your equipment even more efficient? I'm going to show you all of those options today. Now the first option that OEM offers to help make your floor scraper a lot more efficient is the 8-inch blade bars. So whenever you are trying to take up really tough hardwood flooring or ceramic tile and you have a shorter blade on a 24-inch blade bar, that extra material that you are not taking up with that 8-inch blade is hitting the sides of your blade bar, slowing your machine down, making you stop a lot more and making your machine a lot more inefficient. With an 8-inch blade bar, if you have an 8-inch blade in there, you are taking up the 8 full inches of this blade bar. So it allows your machine to just cut through that hardwood flooring or ceramic tile so much easier, a lot more efficiently, and you get the job done that much faster. With the Storm SS, you have even more options available to you in terms of blade bars. You have a 6-inch blade bar, an 8-inch blade bar, a 10-inch blade bar, the 12-inch blade bar that comes standard, and the 24-inch blade bar. So for example, what you'd want to do with this setup is maybe you start taking up wood flooring with your 6-inch blade bar, and at the end, whenever you want to scrape up all of the glue, you pull out your 24-inch blade bar with a 24-inch blade and you take up all of the glue. So if you just saw all of the options that the Storm SS blade bars can give you, and you say, hey, I would like that for my floor scraper, whether it's the Lightning, the Hurricane, the Twister, or the Cyclone, we do offer a conversion blade bar so that you can use these Storm SS blade bars. The other advantage is if you are doing a job that has some really tough rubber flooring or something, and you want to be able to flip that blade over really easily, if you have an 8-inch blade bar or smaller from the Storm SS ones, on this conversion kit, you can easily reach down with your foot and flip it over. So the last thing I want to show you is our beefier blade bar top. So if your 24-inch blade bar for either your Twister, your Cyclone, your Lightning, or your Hurricane, if you need it to be a little bit more meaty for going up against some really tough ceramic tile or hardwood flooring, then this inch-thick blade bar top is where you need to go. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.